So hey, what is up guys, come back to another video, and in this video we are going to learn obviously Git. This is our Git tutorial part 2. So let's get started. So in this video we are going to learn that what is staged file, what is untracked file, what is the stages life cycle of Git. So let's get started. So first I'm going to open in our last video we have created this project. I'm going to open this project in git bash, and now in our git bash let's type git status, and we got untracked file. So what is that untracked file? Untracked file, I think you can understand it with some images. So let's find some images on Google. Stages in Git. I think that should be enough for you to understand this. Just I'm finding a meaningful image. We got a Git official image. So I'm going to open this, or I don't think that this is good. No. Because this is so much heavy for a programmer, let's open this image. I think that's good. So now right here, this is not good. I'm just finding an image. I'm just finding it. Okay, I got it. I got it. So now right here you can see we have untracked file. The resolution is low, but untracked file. So this untracked file, so what this untracked file is, so this is not tracking, so this file is not tracking by Git. Means Git is not even know what is that file. I don't know, this is modified and modified, I don't even know what is that file. So Git say this, and so these file is untracked. So also here we have untracked file, means Git is not tracking this. Git is not even know this what is inside these files. Okay, and then we have, now after untracked file we just add the file to the staged area. Means now Git tracking it, and now Git is just fine with these files. So just we add these files. Okay, I will tell you how to add these files, but first we need to learn this, what is these. So untracked, and then we add this to staged area, and then we commit it. So commit means we are pushing it, or not pushing is another thing. So means we are saying that this file is ready, now you take this and then this file become unmodified. Means this file is not modified, this file is perfect, and we don't want to do anything with this file. And then if we edit this file, so now it will become modified file. Okay, and when it become modified file, then one more time we stage this file, and then it go staged area, then we commit it, and what if I commit this and then I modify this file is unmodified, and I don't want it to be the commit area, so I can actually remove this file. So then it is one more time is untracked file. I hope you understand it, and if you didn't, I will also leave some things in my website, I hope. Yes, and now let's close these things. Now right here let's open our git bash, and now here we have untracked file. But how to add these files to staging area? To do this, Git also saying that you can use git add, and I'm also telling you that you just type git add So you can add it to the staging area and then file you want. I want to just type test1.txt, test1.txt, and I press tab to auto complete this and enter. And now if I type git status, so you can see we have a file. This is ready to commit bilkul. And we have untracked file because I didn't do these files, I didn't add these files to staging area. So how to add these also? Type git add and test2.txt and git status. We got two staging area file, staged file, and then untracked file, two untracked file. But what if there are 1 lakh files and we need to add all the files which is in the repository? How to add this? We do git add 1 file, git add 2 file. No, we don't do this. We can type git add dash capital A or dash small a or git add dot. These all work. I'm gonna just type git add dot and enter. Now if you type git status, so you can see all files are on the staging area. So now how to add these, how to commit these files? So to commit these files, just type git commit, and if I type git commit, so this will open this in my VS Code. So at our first video we have configured VS Code as our default editor. So I'm going to just add our commit here. We can also commit it by typing, I'm gonna just close this, and we can also commit it by just typing git commit dash m and then 2 quotation mark and then our message. We want to tell that why I modified this file, why I add this file. Yes, that is. And first I'm going to just type git commit. And now right here you can see it is telling that if you enter the hash symbol or pound symbol will be ignored. Okay, line starting with the pound symbol will be ignored. So now let's commit our file. So let's type added test files like this. Okay, and save this. And what if I close this? So now it is saying, okay, now if I type here git status, okay, one more thing I forgot to say, that you can't commit it. I committed this because I already configured git, but in your case you can't commit because git doesn't know. Like if you do something in the repository in your project, and how someone know that you did it? So to know that, we need to configure git by typing git config dash global user dot name and then your name. I'm gonna just type in Numan or programming file, whatever it is, and this will be configured. But if you didn't configure this, also configure email, also configure this. And after doing this configure, you can now commit your files, and now the files are commit. And how to see the commit? Just type git log and enter. Now you can see the Noman and my email that I have configured previously. Do these changes and the commit code is the commit code is this. And what he does, he just added test files. Okay, so with this way you can, and we also got a date, we also got an author. We got a commit message. Why I speak so much loudly, so that's why. Yeah, so git log to see this. So now, how to remove some files? To remove some files, let's see if I added so much files. And now if I type git status, so you can see it says nothing to commit, working tree clean. This is clean, we don't want anything from you. So just go to the folder, and what if I add one more file, or I add Excel worksheet for test Excel, and open it. And now inside of this I type something like data. Data. Let's type git is, or just git and then test. Let's see if I add something and close this. And now if I type git status, so you can see this say untracked file. So now if I type git add test Excel. Okay, Excel spelling is wrong, I know. And we added this, and now if I type git status, what if I commit this file by mistake, or I want to unstage this? So here is a command, git also tell you, but we know also command git restore store dash staged, and then your file name whatever it is, like test Excel dash staged test Excel dot xlsx. Yeah, now type in git status, we got this. Oh, okay, now it is also untracked file. So that is for today, guys. I hope you enjoy video and learn something new. Bye bye.